Hi, good morning to all of you. My name is Anurag Mishra and today we're going to talk about fixed income securities. Fixed income being a very integral part of your CFA curriculum, this is also a very important part of broader capital market. As we all know, funding these days are very important. People are funding their corporations by raising equities. This is the instrument where corporations use to raise finances in a short term time to fund their operations. Talking about that, we're going to discuss in this tutorial is we're going to talk about what are the defining elements in fixed income, how their nomenclature is associated with them, how they are issued, how they are traded, and how they are going to be funded in the capital market. And then we're going to talk about the most advanced part is fixed income valuation and all the risk and returns associated with it. And then we'll move on to fundamental of credit analysis. All these topics, it might seem pretty alien to you right now, but trust me, during this session, once we'll go through each step by step, you'll get to know why fixed income is important. Why? You can see it's only 10% of it right now, but as you'll move towards your CFA, which I hope sure you do, you'll find that fixed income is a very important subject. Just not because it's a 10% weightage, which is going to keep increasing. No, because if you're thorough with your fixed income, it means you're thorough with your quants. It means you'll be very good at interlinking all the problems. Because in the examination, when you get to the problem, at times there will be no direct problems. So your interlinking thing, whether you're thinking about a formula from fixed income and then you have to apply it some corporate finance problem, that's where the interlinking comes, and that's what this subject targets at. If you're done with this subject, if you're thoroughly proper with this subject, trust me, there is no other subject which can actually stop you from completing the CFA level 1. So with that hopeful note, we're going to start with our journey, and I'm pretty sure by the end of it, you'll all be very satisfied and I'll be very happy. Thank you.